looking prick. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ten Hag actually likes midfielders. I'm going to be so honest. I don't think he rates midfielders.
Oh my god!
What makes you say that?
Fucking what the? Mate, that's literally the first accident I think I've seen.
Man United's defence was, even all the combinations that were there last year, the defence was actually that bad. It was never the defence's fault.
The mopeds.
No, but it's like on the four wheels. Hey, the fuck?
What was that?
To bear it for me. When I become a household name, I will make sure you and Anthony are thoroughly remunerated. You're suffering, Mumsy. Kiss, kiss. Oh, banana chutney. 2 old bananas, half-baked apple, 2 spring onions, 1 clove garlic, handful sultanas, double
Jesus Christ!
Leads except sultanas in a blender.
Wow!
That is sex then.
What a
Fuck off. You do, I'm waiting. Idiot. You dare do that. That's right.
How was that?
What?
Right, just leave everything going.
Was that my fault?
Yeah, I think it's all good. Yeah, I think it's just hit my tire.
Oh god. Is it okay?
Yeah.
I will totally
We're good.
Anything. I'm sorry that
Yeah.
got went. I started rolling away.
Yeah, I started going, but then a car was coming, so I stopped.
So sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
I cannot lie. Are you all good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, have a good one.
Sorry.
Now you have arrived at your destination. The destination is to the right. Now you have arrived at your destination. The destination is to the right.